How to manage groups in monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to manage groups in monday.com. If you don't know yet, monday.com is a project management tool that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your tasks, all your details. You can also monitor your employees and others. So first you can go to your monday.com dashboard, and then overhead your workspace here, you can choose your workspace and you can go to your board. So like this. And as you can see, this is my board. And basically, I already have two groups. So this one to do group, and this one completed. So basically, you can edit it. You can change the name. Let's say I'm gonna name it priority T, and also I'm gonna leave this like this, completed. So basically you can separate groups by their table. So I have two group here. So yeah, I think it's very simple. And also you can choose by group by option here. So there is an option to choose group by. So basically it's like a sort or filter, something like that, but you can, separate the item by group. So like this, you can click group by, and then you can choose select or search column name. So you can choose by a column name. And let's say I'm gonna choose this one, status, can click it, and it's gonna be, it's gonna show my status, only my status. So I can separate groups by, the name, the table, and also the column. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.